A lot of people ask me after a family member is arrested, what happens next? And I think it's really important for people to know that in Maryland, after a person is arrested, they are seen by a commissioner promptly after they're taken into custody. And that commissioner, under most circumstances, will conduct a review of the person's background, their history, criminal record, their address, their relationship status. They're going to try and get as much information as they possibly can to make a determination about whether or not that individual can be released from custody directly based on the commissioner's analysis of the case, or whether the matter needs to be forwarded to a judge for a full bond review, usually the next day. Those commissioner hearings are very important because obviously if the commissioner can release somebody, that happens very, very quickly. If they have to be kicked to a judge for a formal bond review, they're sitting in custody for at least the next several hours waiting for a judge to have an opportunity to review their bail to determine if they should be released. I don't ever like for families to discount how important that hearing with the commissioner is, because your attorney can participate in that hearing, can make a case to the commissioner about why release is appropriate, why your family member is not a flight risk, why they have contacts and ties in the community that will make them a good risk for release. Very often, commissioners are sympathetic to that and recognize that people, particularly people who have committed nonviolent misdemeanor offenses, should be released back into the community without being held any longer, just based on some of the important information that an attorney is able to highlight for them.